Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Sembut Menteri Ramba jong kejela ubah Preston Tinsong ulaong Basyen ke sorkar kan sapenkin riakno ye kibreu ki basyong basa hatem metor baru ulaong ru ba ke sorkar ka pediang ngobha ye kejing terwa jong harijan panchayat komiti kabakwa abanya keren ber ke sorkar ban ai jakano yaki shawai ubah Preston ulaong basyen kin seyosong jingelang bat ka HPC ban penyait bedno ye kam ban wengno yaki natem metor.
Nilai I ya ka rai ke jingkwa na kalian jom itu kinong song tu apa tiga hari jan koloni bagi kwa kemudian ke jingkren berkesorkar dan kalian jom sorkar ni yang song bahar kata di mentang dan up yang formalities berkoi nak upgrade batka taka petition bagi pak maju aku de andalah dep kata kamu pingin ni nak kalian jom komen ngilong ready ya kapan ya song bapan ya discuss bagi but kajing kwa jengki kalong nakamta ka relocation namar ngi keren sai ba nothing to discuss if you say that relocation should not happen because relocation has to happen namar ngi basi should kaban haban le kumta namar ngi i ya kejaka ka mi biang ka bom ibit su nakamta ka ban song ban sa itu jaka kabla long palan ban jaka ya ka slong ka bang ngi i kejing jabok kejing japan ba kejing bom long healthy kalian juga kod kakia nadu ikna adu kitelen kakta bah narau ini berkomen ni don kata kejin terkat kemakia bala kong menurut menship no ia ka tega jaka syakiwi pagi jaka Sukos has been handed over to him so we are waiting for the reply once the reply is received then as I said to you depending upon the reply the justification where he will give us the ground reality. So I can't say right now. Once we receive that, then we will see what is to be done. I think maybe up to the end of this month.